is.
And we're going to try to head to Monserrate and go up a cable car because there's not as much open on Sundays. A lot of what we want to do is churches, and that's not really a Sunday thing. So see what we get up to before the rain starts. Not how many people are cycling and walking today.
Pretty neat.
Yeah. Look at all them bikes.
Yeah.
Look at the cute puppy doggy.
Cute dog.
Yeah. Seems like all they do in this city is look at street art and panic about the metro. But reading about how some sketchy things can happen here, I guess it's a lot more than I anticipated we could do. But some really good street art. See the pigeons? Probably can't really see that, but that man has coral on the mind. That's how I feel about snorkeling. This coral is just constantly on my mind. Coral in the brain? Operation. There's puppies. So many puppies. There we go.
Hey there, camera.
We are going to try to succeed at something today.
That's pretty cool.
We are going to try to go to a market type of city, village, town, in slightly northern part, because we can't really go south right now because it's bike days and
So all the buses headed in one direction don't exist.
yeah, so we're gonna just go north and
Yeah.
roll with it. Maybe
It's
go
funny.
south a little bit later today.
The bicycle traffic's pretty neat, and I like that they have that sort of relaxed day setting. But
For
yeah,
sure.
if you're trying to go somewhere, it stops you.
That's okay, we're fine, we'll get over it. Anyway, so hopefully we succeed, but you will know in a couple seconds whether we do.
Oh yeah. What's that?
Isn't that your mom's name?
Depends who you're talking to, I guess. Seem to have stumbled into a mall.
Yeah?
There are some mall Santas, inanimate ones.
Yeah. This looks pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. After some bus shenanigans we won't bore you with, I did manage to get to the area we were going to visit.
We're just silly.
Yeah. It's pretty neat. Markets and food
We
stalls and stuff.
succeeded at something.
Yeah.
Technically we're not there yet.
You can check that off of your bucket list, I suppose.
I like the camera.
Yeah.
You gonna go see if those guys let you wrap it up?
No, probably not.
Seen a lot of nice rings, and I'm thinking to replace your broken ass one.
I like them broken.
Yeah, me too, apparently.
Is that in reference to me?
Absolutely.
Fair enough. Like all the tinted roofs.
Yeah.
Neat. Hey, so what did you think of the little marketed area?
I thought it was really cool.
I didn't get to film a whole bunch of it, but it's probably longer than it seemed.
Yeah, very long. I don't think we meant to be in there, but that was the market. Part of it was the market.
Oh, that's only part of it?
Yeah, so we're gonna check out some other areas. There's a lot of handicrafts for sale, hot sauce, musicians, and I don't think musicians are for sale, but yeah, it was really neat.
Yeah, the dude
for-
painted copper standing still. I thought was pretty impressive.
Yeah. I'd like to find some craft beer. I hear there's craft beer at some of these markets, so let's
Oh,
keep wandering
snap.
around and see if we can find some.
It's a deal.
Yeah. We're on another little side street, checking out some more of the market. I love the church in the distance there. It's pretty cool. A fish restaurant? Oh, gardens. If I could bring plants home, it would be very dangerous. So where are we now?
We're at the BBC,
Yeah.
famous English Broadcasting burger place.
It's a chain that I didn't know it was really a chain, but I'd pinned a place in Old Town called this, and we just walked around down the street here, and we saw it, and I thought, oh, you know what, we might as well go here now. So we were planning on going tonight in the old area, but yeah, we're here. We succeeded at getting here. Great success at something. I win. We don't put bumbling tourist logos on things anymore, but that's where it would go if we put one there. Oh, look, there it is. Oh.
Yes, you do still do that.
Yeah, I do.
It is pretty delicious.
Yeah, you got an idea?
Yep.
What is it called? This is
Stout.
here, right? It's called this thing. And that's a little Canadian man, it looks like. And I got a stout.
Simple or sip?
Yeah, this is what mine's called. It's very fruity.
Want to have a little taste of?
Sure. I like mine a lot. Oh yeah, that was good. I like mine better.
Cool. Yeah.
Mine's really good.
Yeah, hearty, smoky.
Yours is more weedy than hoppy. Still good though.
Look at this deliciousness.
I wonder if barbecue sauce mixed with mayo and garlic is the best thing ever.
Double dipping.
Sorry.
Well, not in the input sense, in the doubling the flavor sense.
Excited for my veggie burger too.
Yeah, look at that guy.
Gonna give it a go. Yeah. It's made of like falafel and bean.
I like both of those things.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic.
So good. And with beer.
Winning combo.
I think the clarinet man is playing the Totoro song? Or is it not? No. What song?
Howl's Castle?
Howl's
Definitely
Castle.
Ghibli.
It's a Ghibli song for sure.
That place thing.
Yeah. It's wonderful. I love how many like musicians there are on the street. This church is really pretty over here too, eh?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna take a picture of that. Nice little square. After a nice little meal. You can hear a lot of like folksy clapping and playing of guitar coming from inside that building that I thought was a church. Maybe it's not a church? Maybe that's what they get down for church? I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. Oh, mariachi church.
Mariachi church. Oh, look at that hibiscus tree. Did you see? Here. Do you see the hibiscus tree? Up there? The hibiscus tree up there. That is so cool. I've never seen one that big. Love the colorful bags.
Yeah.
I like the roads in and around the place we're staying.
Yeah, pretty chill.
The place we just went, the market city that starts with a U, had very similar, like, yeah, laid back, safe vibes. So,
Bit
It
of
is-
a touristy feel.
very true though that the further north you go, the kind of safer it gets in the city.
Yeah, I've never wanted to be in a touristy area in previous traveling endeavors, but here it seems a necessity.
Yeah, definitely.
Not that I've witnessed anything firsthand, it's more
No.
just
Feeling deep down in your gut.
read enough things to scare me.
Yeah, for sure. This right here is called Hippie Park. Come in.
Yeah.
And we just got ourselves some more groceries in that bag down there to make some more food in our room after dark, because we can't go out after dark. But
Or at least it's ill-advised to.
yeah, so we don't want to push anything. Oh, that looks really cool up there, eh? I like the Bogota sign. And all the colorful things on the ground. I feel like we haven't really shown a lot, but it's just been a little bit tricky knowing when things are safe to film and when are not safe to bring out a camera. So I felt a little weird about it, but hopefully there's something to show the interwebs about Bogota. I'm excited to have coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
That'll really get us going better than the last couple of days.
Probably didn't tell the camera, but this morning without coffee and not being ready to leave the room, we had some hot water.
Yeah.
Ooh, the lap of luxury.
It was so good. The amount and quality of street art in this city is like nothing I've ever seen anywhere in the world. We've seen some really cool street art around the world. See our street art tours.
Back to our little patio.
Something about Maddie?
Patio.
Oh, patio, yeah. Patio beer.
Share this. Oh yeah.
Did you get a video of the super cute house across the street? I think
no.
that's adorable, that house.
Yeah, this whole neighborhood's pretty
Beautiful
stop.
flowers.
Yeah. Pretty neat.
This just looks like a plant oasis right across the street.
Show where my interest lies. Oh yes, yes, very pretty. I don't know how much of the garden is picked up on.
And that little bell tower over there, where they were ringing the bells physically earlier.
Yeah.
On Sunday. That was pretty cool.
I concur and agree wholeheartedly.
Excellent choice in neighborhood for sure.
Yeah.
You might recognize this from like 2 seconds ago. For us, it's been a few hours, just to clarify. But we were taking a bus back to our place from the market area, and we saw there was a BBC right nearby. So I went to look it up because I thought, oh, it's close by, we can have a beer, even though it's getting like questionably a little bit darker out. And so I looked it up on my phone where it was, and that one's 17-minute walk away. But there's one literally. The wall of this place is up against the wall of the place we're staying. It's ridiculous that we didn't notice that this place is like right next door to our hotel.
The wild adventure we took to get here.
So we got these beers. This gentleman doesn't speak any English and we don't speak any Spanish. So we expressed that we just wanted beer. And we pointed at the people behind us at their beers. We got beer. That's all that really matters, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's pretty good too.
Great success.
Great success. We broke all the rules when we went out after dark to a place one step down the street and had a beer.
I guess it wasn't technically dark when I walked down the street.
No. Well, now it's kind of dark.
There's literally a family with their children in the corner behind us, though. So
I can hear
think
children playing.
We are like taking this far more seriously.
We're taking our safety very seriously. It's important, right?
Probably the best.
We should probably get our key out so we don't look like such people standing in front of our hotel.
Yeah, that's how long our walk was.
Yeah.
We started the second we left. Now we're there.
We filmed the whole thing. I love how this city is so about their dogs. I think if you brought a cat to the city, you would be immediately deported. I really do. I haven't seen a single cat. I've seen roughly 10 million dogs. How about you?
Yeah, at least 10 million. Maybe 11 million.
Yeah, maybe 11. Rounding down.